Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the word Dad to celebrate Father's Day. So let's get started. To draw this cute picture for Dad, let's first start by drawing the letter D. So we're going to come right here and just go straight down to draw this really big D. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a big curve and bring it in. Oops. There, big capital D. Then let's come back in here and we're just going to put in the hole to make it a D about right here. And my goal is just to try to make everything about the same width all the way around. There, big D. Now to draw our heart, which is the very special part, right? So I'm just going to imagine a big heart right here. So I'll say about right, let's just say about right here. I'll just give myself a point and I'm going to drag this point straight down to about right here. Now we're maybe a little bit past the D, and then I'm going to draw my heart. So I'm going to go up with a big curve. I'm going to hit my D, so it's not a complete heart. And I'm just going to imagine this curve is coming through and about right here. Pop it out so that I can just go ahead and connect it to my point. There. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So just go back and forth. So I'm just going to take a look at this side about right here. I'm going to drag this across so I know I'm going the right height. Just so you get approximate. And then let's just go for it. And then we're just going to draw a big curve right here. Oh my goodness. And connect. There. Okay, so now that I looked at that, this part is not as full, right? So easy to adjust. So definitely, hopefully you're using a pencil at home so that you can make any adjustments you need. There. Just try to match that side as best as possible. Okay, so now that we have our heart in, let's draw the other D. So let's come back and we want it about the same height. And so it's just gonna pop out about right here. And let's just go for it. So about right here. And so it would start right there and then it would come down. Oh, let's say about right here. Just want the D to be a little bit covered. So I'm just going to drag this across. So about right there. And bring it down a little bit more. Okay, now I'm at the same height. I have to look at my camera. And then now I can go ahead and draw the other D. So right here. Once again, just like the other D, nice and big. And around. There. Okay, now we can go ahead and draw the inside once again. Now that we have this drawn in, let's put in a tie right here so that we know for sure that this is for Dad, because this heart doesn't necessarily say A, right? So we need to make sure that when you look at this, you know it's the word Dad. So let's do that and come back right here in the center. And we're just going to draw a collar. So I'm going to draw 2 angle lines and then let's bring this up. Just going to curve it up right here, and then in the between we're going to draw a tie. So 2 angle lines and then connect and then come down a long angle, same thing here, and we're going to connect it in the center. There. So now we know for sure that this is for Dad, right? Okay, so then if you like, you can even add a heart right here to decorate this tie. But that is pretty much it. I'm just going to come in here and just, since I have my Sharpie, I'm going to come in here and spruce this up with my black Sharpie. All the bottoms. So, well, actually, you know what? Let's stick this D up like this. And the bottom of our heart. Oh, actually, I need to do it here, right? And same thing here. And let's come in here. Just to give our letters some depth. And I'll come in here really quick so this isn't so confusing and just fix my heart right here. Just wipe this out so you know what's going on. So like I said, definitely use a pencil if you have one so that you can make any adjustments you need. There, and this part too. There, and that is pretty much it. I really hope you love how this turned out. That was nice and simple for you to follow along with me, and sorry for all the mess, but I really hope you love this and that you'll draw it for your dad to celebrate Father's Day. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Drawsuit videos. See you later.